Well, I'm getting ready to paint the Triumph. One of the things you have to do to prepare is take the decals off, because I ordered new decals. And in this case, there's a clear coat over the decal, so I had to sand that clear coat off. And then I bought a special tool. It's like a big eraser. I already did the other side. Seems to work pretty good. Well, that probably got about 95% of it. Looks pretty good. Certainly an easy way to remove decals. This tool here costs $10. You can see where it wears here. So it feels like an eraser. It's just like a big eraser you'd have on the end of a pencil. So, back there. Oh, got one little spot there. That should do it. Now I gotta lightly sand the tank. I have the rest of the bike all prepared, ready to go. Done. Fresh paint job. Pearl. It's a diamond white with a ghost silver pearl. So it's a tri-coat.